And before I say anything, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like my lashes, make my brand's Instagram, Royal Doll BOUJIIEEEE, because we royal dolls. I'm gonna be showing you how I did these braids, box braids, because I had a box braid video before and it was popping. So I knew these braids was gonna be popping, but this time I did a little something with the front. You feel me? I look like a baddie, you know. See what's going on with my hair. Like, y'all will never catch me like this ever again, because guess what I had to do? I had to blow dry it, and Mari don't like heat on her hair. Okay, one of these packs I've been had for a while. I just got 3 new packs, but obviously these ones aren't used, but this is like leftover. So row number 2 is now finished. They feel nice and tight, and they sure do. I don't know if it's just because I'm tender-headed or what, but these things feel tight. I didn't really snatch the way bottom of my hair, because I want to be able to bend my neck. Yeah, I did that. The whole back is done now. All we have to do is the front part. So I finished the back part, the box braid part, probably what you came for, I don't know. But ooh, I don't look, ooh, okay. Dang, like, look how long they are though. Okay, let's not show all that. But yeah, this is mad cute. And all we gotta do is some cornrows in the front, then we done. Y'all, it's almost finished. Freaking happy. Like, look at that. Look at, ooh, give me, ooh. Model vibe, yes. I'm a freaking model, y'all. I don't know if y'all, still recording. I don't know if y'all knew, but I'm a model, like, for real. Alright, I'm gonna finish these 3. I'm gonna get to y'all. Y'all go see me in the next one. Be like, whoa. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day, like, you know, 2 days after I started this video, but I finished. It looks mad cute. Like, look at that. I did that. Yes, I did that. Okay, there's mad long, and now what we finna do is what's the word? We're gonna dip them in some hot water. Y'all girls, y'all need to know to dip y'all braids in some hot water, because 1, it will seal the ends. Y'all see the ends are like frayed. It'll seal them. 2, if your braids are stiff, mine aren't that stiff, but they will get more flowy. But if your braids are stiff, we don't like a stiff braid, that will make them like, don't worry about my bed. Like, yo, y'all seen it earlier. It'll make them like, you know, flowy, like you know, it only hurt. This is the only part that hurts. Oh my gosh, you can see where I have my freaking thing at. But this is the only part that hurts. Like, everything tight and all. Like, everything's nice and tight. Okay? Like, nice and tight. But this is the only part that like hurts the most. Like sometimes when I'm like my head leaning some type of way, it just feels like everything's going down. Like I could pull this wig off. Like it's a wig, but it's not, obviously. Like what lace? Like what lace? But yeah, I'm finna go downstairs. Then I'm gonna make my intro for this video. Well, not really the intro, but like, you know, my intro, like what I say. Because I wanted y'all to see the braids before anything else, which y'all probably already seen them in the beginning. So yeah, I'm working a little bit backwards. So yeah, I'm finna go back upstairs. I got my little thingy. I'm just doing this so it doesn't drip all over the floor. Alright, y'all, so I'm finna drop the baby. Drop the baby. There's no room with a hot mess. Sure does. Alright. Yes. Oh my gosh. No stiffness. Yes. I like it. I like it. Ooh. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. And boom. It's done. I repeat, it's done. Alright, but I need to do that towel. I don't know why, like, y'all, my whole floor is almost like drenched. But it's a subscribe button and like you should press it, okay? Okay, cause yo, your girl look cute. Your girl look cute. I look like a whole baddie. Why? Cause my lashes, my lip gloss, my hair, like I did all that, like entrepreneur, you know? You know? Okay? Let me be cute. Let me be cute. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to become a jewel to my crown. And stay bad. And stay bougie.